Woohoo. You're in. You're in. You're in. You're in. Love it. Remember, February 7th, you are going to get access to everything, but you want a little extra. We have what's called a VIP pass. Shocker. It is, you'll get a GBT to help you with the workbook content. 5 done for you workbooks that you can just resell or use, or just take the whole thing, take it apart, make it all yours. Do what you want. And then also 100 workbook ideas. There we go. You're not starting from scratch. Like what I said, you'll get 5 done for you workbook templates, a custom GBT, and a spreadsheet of workbook ideas. Now, let's talk about the workbooks. These are workbooks. They'll be simple enough that you are going to be able to go in, add clip art, add your brand, add your logo, all of that. They're going to be easy peasy to do that. No, they're also done for you. So you can just turn around and do, change out the cover page or font or, but you're going to have reseller rights to these workbooks. We will be creating the Clarity Playbook, and I listed all what's in them. And you never know, I might be adding extra. I always seem to. And then the One Thing Workbook, the Offer Glow Up Workbook, the Momentum Planner, and the Unstuck Guide. These are really good for coaches, digital content creators, but don't let that stop you, guys. If these are not like, I never use that, or which I don't know, these workbooks are very usable, or this is not for my audience, that's, you can turn around, take that GPT that we're giving you, and just say, hey, what should, you know, I have this page in this. How can I change it to make it for my people? It These, think of these as like a foundation, and you can take what's in there, you can use it, you can leave it, you can delete it, but you still have something to start with. But however, for your audience, but if you're going to sell them, you know one can buy these. There we go. Now, $25, you guys. 5 done for you workbooks, 1 GBT, a spreadsheet with 100 ideas. Come on, $25. This is a steal, and an easy button if I ever seen one. Sign up, grab it now, grab it now. After the workshop, it will go up to, I think, $45 or $55. You might as well get it now. All right, you guys, thank you so much for signing up for the free workshop. I hope you sign up for the VIP pass. It'll be well worth it. All right, thank you.